Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you a chicken penne recipe that was actually my first time making it, but turned out absolutely incredible. So I hope you try it out. It's really good. Let's go ahead and get started. So I made this recipe for my parents and I, so that was 300 grams of penne, and I'm just doing approximate measurements. I barely measured anything, so just do it with your preference. So although I eyeballed all of the ingredients, I'll give you approximate measurements. So I used 2 tablespoons of butter, a half cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of cream, and some spices, whatever you want. I used salt, pepper, garlic powder, and oregano. And then I minced 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and some chicken thigh. Alright, so to get started, I used a large pot and melted my butter over medium heat. Once that was fully melted, I added in my chicken thigh that I cut into bite-sized pieces. So then I added in my spice blend and my minced garlic to let all of the flavors blend. Then I just added in my heavy cream and my flour, and I just let that come to a little bit of a boil so that it'll thicken up. Lastly, we obviously can't forget about the Parmesan cheese, so I added that in, and then I just added in my parsley. And I just let that kind of come to a little bit more of a boil, let it come to a thick mixture, and then I added in all of my penne and started to mix it up. Alright you guys, there you have it, a very delicious chicken penne recipe, and it's super easy, super quick, and if I can make it, so can you. So yeah, I make dinner pretty often, so I'm just making a YouTube video on the side in hopes that it'll be helpful for you, and yeah, all my recipes are super easy. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible week. I will see you very soon. Bye!